What the fuck were we playing today? What the fuck was this game? This was not fucking United. It was West Brom versus West Brom. Seriously, what fucking lethargic play? Seriously, in minute 2 we fucking concede. Minute 2. That McFred shit is not working, yet Ole is insisting on playing that nonsense. Why not play Donny? Why not play fucking Donny? What fucking useless. Useless talking to this fucking manager. Really. Has no fucking idea of football. What the fuck? You know it's not working. You've seen the past results, yet you insist on playing these people. We barely get scrappy wins. Nonsense after nonsense day, week in, week out, we do this fucking shit. And our defense, oh my god, I'm fed up with our centre backs, especially Maguire and Lindelof. Really, fucking pathetic play today. I don't know what the fuck Maguire and Lindelof are doing. Lindelof, I don't know what he did for that first goal, and Maguire, don't talk only. If it wasn't for that David De Gea double save, he would have surely conceded and lost the game. He's blocking the bloody Digne or whatever the fuck he is with his ass. Is that how you're supposed to play? Is that how a central defender works? Blocking with your fucking ass? And like a bitch you fall down and then you complain offside or some fucking foul. You defend. Everton game also same shit you did. You're raising your hand. What are you, some cheerleader? Just fucking defend, then fucking call for an offside or something. While the ball is in play, you're calling for an offside or a foul. You're a fucking captain. For what bloody reason? Just because of your size, I think Ole has given you that captainship armband. It should clearly go to Bruno with the leadership skills. The guy is miles ahead of you. Being a bloody refrigerator, you can't head, you can't defend. What good are you for? And Lindelof only knows how to save old grandma's purses. He does not know how to save goals. Really, these people don't deserve to play for Manchester United. I knew title was out of contention, even when we were top of the league. With centre-backs like this, you can't expect to win anything. UCL crashing out was a prime example. Fucking defense is pathetic. What more you want Bruno and company to do? Because of y'all, we are fucking losing and dropping points. Bloody irritating. Really irritating watching these games. Easy 3 points we are drawing against West Brom, who are second last in the league. Really, it's like our motto has become make teams at the bottom great again. What bloody Robin Hoods we have become. Taking points from the big leaders and giving it to the bottom leaders. Fucking useless talking about these games. Really, it's fucking pointless. No changes are gonna happen. Nothing is gonna change. Next transfer window, if we don't get bloody centre backs, we are fucking dead. Dead, okay? Without Eric Bailly, this entire team looks bloody different, and Paul Pogba also. Entire team looks different. Really, we need people to substitute. Really, this lineup is not working. Really, you've seen how we played today. Lethargic performance, lethargic. Other than that Bruno goal, nothing creativity was there, other than a few clear chances that we had gotten. And West Brom also, they bloody parked the bus. 8 people in the penalty box. I don't expect them to do any better. They are just trying to hold on to their lives in the league. They're going to get relegated soon anyway. But it's us who need the points. We should be the ones who are fighting for it. Instead, we are sitting on holding our dicks in our hands. Useless, fucking useless. I don't know what is going to happen to this club. Unless we get a new fucking centre backs, I don't see us doing anything in the future. Now, I have no fucking idea how we are in that FA Cup still. Miracle at this point.